Hi there, sixth graders. Mr. Kerr here on our week 17. This is the end of second semester. It's the end of our year together. And thank you all so much for all of you that work so hard to earn your really great grades and learn a lot. I know this last semester has been really strange. A lot of us were full-time online anyways, but some of you were not, and we've all become full-time online learners and educators. And anyways, thank you to everyone for a great year. Week 17, this is it. This is our last video, going from Tuesday, May 12th through Wednesday, May 20th. And just a note, that should say Wednesday, May 20th, not the 21st, but all work is due by 3 p.m. on Wednesday, May 20th. No exceptions. I'm sorry, I can't make any exceptions. And yeah, so let's see what we have. So this week, we're going to be working on your final project. Last week, you started figuring out what you were going to do it on, and your project can be anything. It can be something fun. You can create a board game. You can create a card game. You can do an essay if that's your thing. You can do a PowerPoint. But you pick the topic. You pick the research. But it has to cover the Western Hemisphere of the Earth. Has to be a topic that you've talked about, that we've talked about this semester, and all that good stuff. So if you have any questions, let me know. Don't wait until next week. Don't wait till the end of the week. You need to let me know now if you have any questions and on your sources and all of that. Now, it looks like we have a lot here to do, but really these are, so this will be your first source, and you'll fill out that. Second source, third source, fourth source. So you have 4 sources that you're going to use for information. Remember, your final project has to have at least 10 facts that really make your project come alive with the topic that you're looking at. It has to be some issue, geographic issue in the Western Hemisphere. So again, let me know if you have any questions along those lines. Long before it's due. But as you can see here, the 2 should be primary sources, 2 should be secondary sources. Look back in your notes if you're not sure. Look back to see what primary and secondary sources are. I have it kind of timed out here. Try and complete your final project by Friday for some editing, and then you can complete it, turn it in next Tuesday. Remember, the weekend includes Monday, so you can get all caught up on anything you need to over the weekend. Any missing work, let's get it in. Let's try and get it in before you complete your final project. But let's try and get your final project in by Tuesday the 19th. So if there's any question about it, I can let you know, and you can get it in to me before 3 o'clock on Wednesday the 20th. Again, thanks so much for everyone for working so hard. And yeah, it's been great. So hopefully I'll see many of you next year as 7th graders here at Jeffco Virtual. And let me know if you have any questions as soon as possible. Thanks.